Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Ringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for BanariAmman Sugars. And is the ticker name. You can see that here Banari Sug is the ticker name. And right now you are watching the monthly technical chart of Sugars, BanariAmman Sugars. You can see the price trend path of Banari Sugars along with a few technical indicator graphs like RSI, MACD, Momentum, ADX, Money Flow, which I have deployed on this particular stock to do the analysis. Now, if you look at the price trend path pattern of this particular stock, I have data here since 2011, and you can clearly see up to February 2014, the stock was not doing great, and after 2014 February, the stock started moving in the upward direction. Actually, it seems there is a trend here. Okay, it went in upward direction and came back, and again there is some sideways movement, and again it went up, some sideways movement, and again it is going up. Looks like after a peak, this stock goes in a sideways movement, again a peak, sideways movement, again a peak. So recently this stock has crossed its previous peak, and right now it is trading at 2573 rupees, which is very good. I mean, earlier it was trading at, I mean, it's the lowest price, I mean, since 2011 was 484, and today it is 2573, nearly six times, nearly six times, approximately six times. It is, I mean, it increased its price. It's very good, and today we hope that this price rise will get extended for the next coming few months. Also, it will make new highs continuously before it breaks into a sideway movement fashion, sideway movement mode. Okay, so at this moment, this stock is good for long-term investment, and we can clearly see that this stock has already crossed its 20-day and 50-day moving average, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode. And if you look at the RSA is about to touch the, I mean, is already touching the 80 line, and it is about to make a nice slope on the 80 line, which is very good. RSA indicates the relative strength of the stock. Look at the MACD. The signal line is on top of the red line, and both are about to diverge. They are in the initial stage. And if you look at the histogram bars are just started operating on top of the baseline, and they are in green color, but though the size is small. Look at the momentum. Momentum is started playing on top of the baseline, and it is looking in the upward direction. Look at the ADX direction strength of the stock is good, which we can see even in the trend also, price trend also. And if you look at the money flow is okay. Money flow is okay. Actually, it is. I mean, it has peaked up already, and now it is coming down. But again, it is somewhat playing around the top line, that 80 line. Okay, now looking at the overall situation, I can say that this particular stock is. I mean, this is a moment, the right moment for the stock to invest. And people who had already invested had gained a lot of money. I mean, literally, you can clearly see that. I mean, 4 to 5 times of what they had invested. If they had invested in 2016 also, that's very great. Even double, they might have doubled their money by this time. And people who had not invested, I think still there is a lot of potential left in the stock. So there is I mean, you guys still have an opportunity to invest and get benefited from the stock. So the stock is recommended for long-term investment. Okay, guys, this is the conclusion. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.